I'm falling.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Not surprised, I'm sick again. Oh my god. Okay, so I don't even know how this happened. I think it's the weather. And then yesterday I was at the hospital, not because of me, but and then I got sicker, I guess, because people were there sick, so I got sicker. But anyways, today I'm going to film the look I had in my BH Cosmetics lip swatching video. I did film a look what I was wearing, but I didn't add like the smokiness in the outer corners, and a lot of you guys were asking me to do a video on it, so I will do it now. So the product that I used on there was from the Boxycharm. If you guys are interested in subscribing to Boxycharm, it's only $21, you guys, with free shipping. You get amazing full-size products in that package. So I did have a video, so I don't know if that video is going up first or this one is, but I did do a video using the product, but I didn't smoke it out and out, so that's why I was thinking, let me just refilm a video and then, you know, whatever. So I already went ahead and did my face and everything because I wasn't thinking of filming because I don't feel good, my throat hurts. But I still wanted to get a video up because I do have 2 videos that I have to edit still, and then I'm going to be doing this one, so yeah. Alright, so you guys already know what I use for my face. I do it, it's a repetitive thing on all my videos, so this would just make the video a little bit faster. So the first product that I'm going to be using, and I accidentally had already started, so I did apply a little bit of bronzer in my eyes. I am using the Give Me Sun. Apply that all over my crease just to smoke it out a little bit. Then I'm going with this Appeal Liquid Eyeshadow. This one came in the Boxycharm box. Like I said, I'll link all that information down below for you guys. If you guys are interested in subscribing to Boxycharm, use my link down below. It helps my channel out a lot. So, yeah. So I'm going to use this on my lid first. And it's a very beautiful gold color. And I was actually getting ready to put eyelashes, but I was like, let's just do the look. Pull my mirror a little bit closer. Alright, so I'm going to apply this right in the inner corner midway. I don't know if you guys can be able to see me. I'm trying to. So I'm just bringing this up a little bit higher from my crease, just so you can see when my eyes are open or closed. You can see them definitely. So I'm gonna bring it in, and I kind of blend it out with my finger at the edge. Just a little bit. You guys can see that. Gonna do the other eye. And I'm gonna bring it up a little bit from my crease just so that you can see it as well. And we're bringing this passing midway just because we don't want the smokiness to come all the way here. So the smokiness is going to be in the outer corner. And then just blend it out with your finger. There we go. There we go. So this dries. Letting it to dry a little bit. Then I went with the BH Cosmetics Daisy Marquez palette. It is back in stock if you guys are interested in getting it. It's back in stock. So anyways, I used this color right here to smoke it out. Just applied it in the outer corner. When I did that makeup look, I actually had done this and left it alone. But when I was going to do the swatches, I was like, you know what? I feel like doing a... Okay, so I was interrupted. So I'm just going to use this one to smoke it out. Like I said, when I did the video, before I did it, I wanted to smoke out my outer corner. And yeah, so I'm just grabbing a Time Los Angeles brush, and I'm going to actually apply a little bit of setting powder because it is a brown shadow and I don't want it to stain what I already have. So I'm going to do that and then just apply it on the outer corner. And it's okay if it removes what you apply. You can go back and reapply it. So it doesn't really matter. I just kind of wanted to have it as a guide to where I was going to stop that gold shade. And then you kind of want to go lightly over to kind of just blend it. So, and you see I have fallout, so it's great that I applied the setting powder because the fallout that fell, I'm going to be able to clean it out. So just going on this side. It was a really easy eyeshadow because I had already done most of the work. I just needed to apply a darker brown color onto the lid, onto the crease, outer corner of my eye, and that was it. Okay, so I'm gonna go back with the same thing, with this gold thing, and reapply it just a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side. I can hear people walking on my roof. I don't know what they're doing, but they're doing something up there. They woke me up. I was taking a nap. Alright. So, I'm going to go ahead and apply some lashes. I will link them down below for you guys from the Bold. I don't know why I say Bold. Bold Cosmetics. I love their lashes. So I will list them down below for you guys. And I do have a discount code, PRETTYGRACE, for some money off. So if you guys are interested, definitely save some money. I need more eyelash glue. So I am going to go ahead and blend out the crease. I'm going to use a orangey shade a little bit, just to kind of blend it out. This one is too fat. I actually need to clean my brushes, so that's why I'm kind of like thinking which one I should use. I'm going to use this one right here a little bit, just to kind of blend it out. Dip it in a little bit and tap the axis and just go over, just to blend it out. So I have big news, guys, and I'm really excited to let you guys know, but I cannot tell you guys yet until Wednesday. You guys are gonna be so happy and excited the way that I am. Oh my god, like I can't wait to tell you guys. I feel like I honestly don't like keeping stuff from you guys. I have to like tell you. All right, so my god, I gotta remove the excess powder, and I don't know where I left my brush at. So I'm just gonna see, and that's it. Remove the excess powder. There we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lash. Alright, then I'm gonna put the other one. I feel like crap. I feel like I got sicker for some reason. There was a lot of sick people at the hospital yesterday, so I don't know. I probably catched it again because I was feeling better, and then I don't know if it's every time I fall asleep and wake up, I feel worse. So yeah, so I'm gonna grab the same thing and then apply this in the bottom lash line a little bit, center midway, and then I'm going to apply the smoky brown color. So I'm just going to bring this in. And then do it on the other side. I feel like doing my makeup today it's a big mistake because since I'm sick, my eyes tear a lot. So I don't know how this is gonna go. Alright, so then I'm just gonna grab that brown shade and apply in the outer corner. I almost dropped my brush. I dropped it. I feel like it's a little darker. Why does it feel darker? For some reason it looks darker. Okay. And do the other eye. See, this one looks a lot lighter. This one looks darker for some reason. Probably dipped it in the wrong one. Alright, so I think that's fine. I'm actually going to go and apply a little bit of that orangey shade. I know I didn't do it on the other one, but I feel like I need to. And then go back again with that brown shade. Not any fallout. Oh, okay. And then I'm just gonna apply some mascara. I'm gonna use the Marc Jacobs one that they customized with my name on it. Just apply some mascara. So for lips, I'm going to be using the new Out and Pout lip kit from Morphe. This is in the color Blushing Nude. I do have a discount code, PRETTYGRACE, for some money off. Like I said, it helps my channel out if you guys use my discount code. So it does come with a lip liner, a lipstick, and a lip gloss. I'm going to be using all three of them together. I did do a swatch video, and yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and use the lip liner first. I'm gonna bring my mirror a little bit closer.
Started to fall, and where were you? How could I know you were falling too? Grabbing the wind, cutting my skin, but it's hard because I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling.
So this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. I really love this lip combo. It looks really nice. I like it. So if you guys want to check any of the products out, I'll link them down below. Don't forget to use my discount codes. It means so much to me, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and give this video a like. Share if you guys want to. It means a lot if you guys do. And yeah, thank you guys again for watching. I love you guys. Take care, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.